The Da-Lite Deluxe Insta-Theater is a uniquely designed portable screen that lifts up out of its sleek aluminum case, is ready to use in seconds, and is perfect for business presentations because it's lightweight and self-standing so that it goes anywhere. The Deluxe Insta-Theater features a unique pneumatic scissor mechanism for raising and lowering the screen surface, which allows for infinite stopping positions. To set up your Deluxe Insta-Theater portable screen, rotate the feet until they are perpendicular with the case. Push down lightly on the center of the case and release the latches to open the case cover. Pull up the screen slowly using the lifting handle, then grasp the slat handle and raise the screen slowly, keeping the slat level as you raise the screen. When retracting the screen, grasp the slat handle and lower the screen slowly back into the case, making sure to hold onto the handle and keep the slat level as you lower the screen back into the case. Close the latches and rotate the feet under the case.